Okay, so this is my galley. This is 2020 October. Uh, this is still work in progress, but this is what it looks like right now. Here it is. I've done another video, but here's the shelf that hangs off the hatch, and this side here is where we keep coffee, pots, and cup and mug and stuff like that. It's a little shelf for the what do you call that, hot sandwich maker. And on this side, this is the Coleman, all the pots and, well, not pots, but the plates and stuff like that. And this is our rice cooker. Of course, it's, you know, regular household appliance, so we only get to use when we have a shore power. And this is the sort of a sink, or collapsible tub sink, that everything kind of collapse and slide into this little 2-inch gap there. And this is the biggest storage that we have. We keep these, another collapsible the bowl and strainer. This is the what do you call that, the make the water cleaner, and just random stuff. And here there's another storage where the tub and the other kind of bigger item goes into. On the other side, this is where the cowboy walk gets stored, and that's the legs for that. And this is the collapsible trash can. And this here is the Camp Chef Ranger 2 stove. Propane tank is in the front, so when I get to the campsite, we just drag that and set it here and connect. And he has another drawer where we keep the plastic and aluminum foil, knife, and, you know, other junk. And this is another storage here. This is my coffee maker, Chemex. It lives in this drawer full time. And this is all the utensil, and that's where we keep the water hose and latchet straps and stuff like that. And my battery is down there. It's how big is that thing? I think it's there it is, 75 amp hour. And on the top, this is the Power Dynamic PD4045KA, and it's an older model, so I don't think a lithium battery will work with that. And I think that's it. And of course, there's the group sticker, and I got another one, I think, over here. All right, thank you.